Hello friends, my name is Arushka and today I am going to tell you how to make this bubble maker. It's very easy and for enjoying, like we can't go to school, we can't go to friends, we can't go at parties, but we need to do something amazing, something new. So today I am going to tell you how to make this bubble maker. So let's start making up. So here I have taken a bottle, oregano bottle, and I have written Varu bubble game. You can also decorate your bottle. Second, we have to take water. I have taken this much, and shampoo. You can take any shampoo. Wire, you will need broad wire. It would be better if you take broad one and easier for you also. So now let's start making the main part. First, you have to take a wire and form a loop. It should not be a big one but a small loop like this. So a small loop, as you can see I'm showing, and then we have to curl it. I'm not making big, so I've taken small distance between the loop and the end part, and then we have to curl it in the form of circle or any shape oval which you want to take, and then fix it inside the loop like this. And then the rest of the wire I'm using it for the handle, and I am also tightening the loop a bit so that the wire doesn't comes out of it. Yes, and the rest of the wire I'm making for the handle like this, in this way. So our main part is ready. Like this we can dip it and make our bubbles. So here in this bottle we are going to make it, so let's start making it. Here I am adding a bit of shampoo in this and some water. Make sure you close the cap and shake it properly. Mix it nicely. Yes, now open it. Oh, it's looking nice. And there should be more shampoo and less water. Please click on the like button, share my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more notifications. Also comment in the comment box if you have any query regarding this video. Thank you for watching this video.